नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay my dear kids, we started a new lesson on the last class. जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते, right? What was that content of that lesson? Yes, about Helen Keller, right? Helen Keller क्या कर रहा है? Helen Keller कह रही है कि those who can see, they are only seeing less, right? They are seeing less only. तो जिन लोगों की आंखें होती है वे बहुत कम देखते हैं. Isn't it? She is asking her friend how when she visited the forest, what you have seen. Then that friend is telling कुछ खास नहीं. I didn't see any special. So what she is telling, this much very thick forest and so many things we want to see, birds, trees, everything is there, but the people is telling that nothing is special. Is it possible like that? Helen Keller is telling. So she is telling that जिन लोगों की आंखें होती हैं वह बहुत कम देखते हैं. So we finished one page of that lesson, isn't it? So we have to go through the बाकी भाग, isn't it? बाकी भाग of जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते. You have to take page number 81. Take page number 81 my dear kids. From that see from बनावट महसूस करने में अपार आनंद मिलता है, isn't it? By seeing the surface, velvet surface of the flowers and all, if we are touching on that, I am getting so much happy on that. Then is Dauran. See, up of that you should write today's date. What is the date today? 2/2/2021 Mangalwar. Write on the up of it my dear kids, page number 81. I'm going to read. You have to read with me. Please do carefully. Okay माँ? इस दौरान मुझे प्रकृति के जादू का कुछ एहसास होता है. इस दौरान मुझे प्रकृति के जादू का कुछ एहसास होता है. In that condition, during this condition, I am realizing some magic on the prakriti. Prakriti means nature. Prakriti, nature of. I can realize some magic on the. She can't see now, so she can realize only. So she is telling that I can realize some magic on this nature. इस दौरान मुझे प्रकृति के जादू का कुछ एहसास होता है. एहसास मीन्स रियलाइजेशन, जादू मीन्स मैजिक. कभी जब मैं खुशनसीब होती हूँ, कभी जब मैं खुशनसीब होती हूँ तो टहनी पर हाथ रखते ही किसी चिड़िया के मधुर स्वर कानों में गूंजने लगते हैं. कभी जब मैं खुशनसीब होती हूँ, when I have a good luck means if I am getting any luck, I will go and touch the twig of the tree. I'll touch the twig of the tree and किसी चिड़िया के मधुर स्वर कानों में गूंजने लगते हैं. By seeing the twig of the tree, I will realize the sweet sound of the birds. चिड़िया के मधुर स्वर कानों में गूंजने लगते हैं. We are not enjoying the sound of the birds and all nowadays, right? But Helen Keller, she is not having eyes, so she is feeling even a small things, even she is realizing very deeply. अपनी अंगुलियों के बीच झरने के पानी को बहते हुए महसूस कर मैं आनंद होती हूँ. When she is touching the hand in the lake of the water of the lake water is there na, she will go and touch that with her fingers, and if it is going inside her fingers, she can realize that she can feel something, she can feel very happy. So महसूस करना, to feel, she is feeling some happiness when the water is going inside her fingers. मुझे चीड़ की फैली पत्तियाँ या घास का मैदान किसी भी महंगे कालीन से अधिक प्रिय है. मुझे चीड़ की फैली पत्तियाँ, on trees that चीड़ that पत्तियाँ means that leaves which is coming on falling from that, and also घास का मैदान, the ground is there now, the ground which is filled with the grass, that also I am feeling like what she is telling. By moving on that place, it will be more valuable for me than the carpet and all. महंगे कालीन से अधिक प्रिय है. I like more that if costly carpet and all is there, by while walking on that, how feel I am getting more than that. I love to walk on the ground which is having grass and all. I love to walk on the grass grass ground more than like if costly carpet if I am seeing, even more than that I like to walk on the ground which is having more grass. बदलते हुए मौसम का समा मेरे जीवन में एक नया रंग और खुशियाँ भर जाता है. If the changing of the मौसम means seasons and all changing now, that also I am feeling like in the environment some changes will come, isn't it? When the मौसम and all the seasons and all changing, that time the environment also will change. That time I am feeling some new color and new happiness in my life. So this and all we won't feel, right? But this Helen Keller can feel, because she is not having eyes and she can feel everything by seeing, by touching everything, by breathing and by getting the smell of everything. She can feel the happiness more than us, isn't it? बदलते हुए मौसम का समा, environment, when the change of the seasons and all come, how the environment will change, that also her life, it will give a happiness, it will give new color for her, and it will give new happiness for her. So you can write the meanings for that, my dear kids. You write on the up of it: Jadoo, magic; Ahsas, realization; Khush Naseeb, good luck; Tahini, twig; Mahsoos, feel; Kaleen, carpet; Sama, environment. Write on the up of it. Okay, Jadoo, magic; Ahsas, realization; Khush Naseeb, good luck; Tahini, twig; Mahsoos, feel; Kaleen, carpet; Sama, environment. Okay, so next para. कभी कभी मेरा दिल इन सब चीज़ों को देखने के लिए मचल उठता है. अगर मुझे इन चीज़ों को सिर्फ छूने भर से इतनी खुशी मिलती है तो उनकी सुंदरता देखकर तो मेरा मन मुग्ध ही हो जाएगा. कभी कभी मेरा दिल इन सब चीज़ों को देखने के लिए मचल उठता है. If I am seeing something, new things, I am feeling so happy to go and see that one. I'll get up early to see this and all. अगर मुझे इन चीज़ों को सिर्फ छूने भर से इतनी खुशी मिलती है, if I am getting happiness by only touching the things, so उनकी सुंदरता देखकर तो मेरा मन मुग्ध ही हो जाएगा. If those who are seeing those who can see how they will feel, they will be very enchanting, right? So those who are getting Helen Keller is getting happiness by only what? सिर्फ by touch, छूने means by touching only. But those who are seeing everything, this beautiful, this entire thing, how they will feel, their mind will be so enchanting. परंतु जिन लोगों की आंखों हैं वे सचमुच बहुत कम देखते हैं. Now also she is telling again that those who can see, they are seeing only less, isn't it? जिन लोगों की आंखें हैं वे सचमुच बहुत कम देखते हैं. इस दुनिया के अलग अलग सुंदर रंग उनकी संवेदना को नहीं छूते. इसलिए इस दुनिया के अलग अलग सुंदर रंग उनकी संवेदना को नहीं छूते. इस दुनिया के अलग अलग सुंदर रंग उनकी संवेदना को नहीं छूते. दे आर नॉट टचिंग द दिस इज, उनकी संवेदना को नहीं छूते. वी आर नॉट टचिंग द फीलिंग हाउ इट इज शोइंग, isn't it? Whatever in this world, whatever we are seeing, that feel we are not touching. But those who are not having eyes, they can feel the each and everything, they can feel by touching and all. मनुष्य अपनी क्षमताओं की कभी कदर नहीं करता. We are not respecting what are the abilities we are having. Isn't it? Here Helen Keller is telling, मनुष्य अपनी क्षमताओं means abilities की कभी कदर नहीं करती है. कदर नहीं करना, not respecting. So those who are having abilities, they are not at all. What they are not doing? मनुष्य अपनी क्षमताओं की कभी कदर नहीं करता. They are not respecting the abilities what they are having. वह हमेशा उस चीज़ की आस लगाए रहता है जो उसके पास नहीं है. What they are doing, whatever is not there, we are going back of that, isn't it? Whatever we are having, we are not respecting that and all, and we are going whatever we are not having, isn't it? So this Helen Keller is telling, we are turning up towards what we are not having. So यह हमेशा उस चीज़ की आस लगाए रखता है जो उसके पास नहीं है. Whatever we are not having, To that only we are going. यह कितने दुख की बात है कि दृष्टि के आशीर्वाद को लोग एक साधारण सी चीज़ समझते हैं. What, how much sad it is, what sadness. दृष्टि के आशीर्वाद, we are having on blessing. What blessing we are having? Vision. We can see everything, isn't it? But this Helen Keller, she can't see. So she is telling that the blessing, what the vision blessing, the blessing of vision we are having, then even we are thinking that is the small thing, simple thing. इसे साधारण सी चीज समझते हैं. we are thinking that as the simple thing. This vision is a very big blessing. By seeing Helen Keller, we can think that, we can see that Helen Keller, without seeing itself, she achieved this much things. If she can see, means how much she will improve more than this, how much she will achieve more than this, isn't it? So she is telling that यह कितने दुख की बात है कि दुख के दृष्टि के आशीर्वाद को लोग एक साधारण सी चीज़ समझते हैं, जबकि इस नियामत से जिंदगी की खुशियों के इंद्रधनुषी रंगों से हरा भरा किया जा सकता है. We can beat everything using this divine gift. We can beat even like that. Helen Keller is telling that by using this blessing, which blessing? Vision. We can see everything. That blessing we can use to beat everything of this entire world, isn't it? So this divine gift, we have to respect that divine gift. Niyamat means divine gift. So that divine gift we have to respect. So we can understand that without having eyes, how much this Helen Keller has achieved, how much that Helen Keller is feeling, isn't it? Even the small thing, even he is achieving. So see here, my dear kids, the meanings I am sending, this you have to copy in that, okay? Machal utna, to get up. Write that, Machal utna, to get up. Then Mugdha, enchanted. Mugdha, enchanted. Then Samvedana, feel. Samvedana, feel. Kshamadavam, abilities. Kshamadavam, abilities. Kadar, respect. Kadar, respect. Aas lagana, turn up. Aas lagana, turn up. Ashirvad, blessings. Ashirvad, blessings. Niyamat, divine gift. Niyamat, divine gift. Hara phara, to beat. Hara phara, to beat. So these are the meanings of this para. Have you understand the lesson, my dear kids? Read the lesson properly. Read it, record it and send it to me. If you have any doubt, you can call me or text me at any time, or you can ask the whatever problem, whatever doubt you have, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.